Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the WPF Battleship series. Last time we created this attached property, which allowed us to drag our ships across our snap grid and ultimately drop our ships. And we were also enabled rotating our ships from the vertical to the no, from a horizontal and back to from horizontal to vertical and back to horizontal. We did have some issues. The one was uh, well, were allowed to drop ships on top of each other and also rotate into each other and also rotate outside of our grid. So yeah, we're gonna fix those errors today. And while I was playing around, I also noticed this bug. So yeah, uh, we are allowed to drag ships outside of the grid here. So I only noticed it for dragging above the 400 limit, the width of the grid. I didn't notice it for the going back behind the zero limit. So yeah, let's start off by fixing this bug, which is going to be pretty easy because, yeah, like I said, just have to check if it's equal to 400 because, yeah, we just can't be equal 400 or greater. So, yeah, that should fix the error. And there we go. Okay, next is we're not going to allow just dropping the ship anywhere before we haven't checked that we're not dropping onto another ship. Um, to do this, we are gonna have to not only know the position of our ships, because the position only tells us, one point of our ship. So if we use our X and Y position, we only know which grid. Um, okay, because I just deleted. Yeah, so we only know that it's in this grid. If we drop it right here, we only know that this ship is inside this grid. We don't know if it's how far it goes into the horizontal, or if it's vertical, how far it goes into the vertical. So we have to know all these coordinates, which ultimately later on we're going to use also as hit coordinates, because we have here 5 hit points for the carrier, we got 4 hit points for the battleship, and so on for the other ones. So we have to know all these points, and then we can check these points. If any of these points are the same for any of these other points of from the other ships, then we know that they are overlapping. So before we start anything, we have to know and save these points of our ships. And so we have to go to our view model here, and we will create a new uh, observable collection. So it's going to be public observable collection, and we're going to make a new class. So it's just going to be coordinate, and then we will call this hit coordinates. Make this a getter and set. Now we'll say new observable collection coordinate. Alright. Coordinate is not going to be a view model, I think. So we're just going to add a new folder. Coordinate is just going to hold some data in there, more precisely our That's interesting. Okay, so include models. Alright, so we're gonna add. Yeah, so like I was saying, coordinate class is not gonna be a view model, it's just gonna hold that, x and y position. And since we are gonna be comparing these coordinates, we're also gonna make a compare method. So let's do that, get rid of models, coordinates, so we're gonna have public x position, which is a double. Whoa, 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 here we go. So double get set y position, perfect. IntelliSense is smart. Here we go. Coordinate and yes, wow. All right. Now I'm gonna make public bool compare and can I do this? Hold on, coordinate this. Alright, so coordinate, and then we are gonna say return. Oh, here we go. IntelliSense is great. Alright, so we got our region right here for our properties. Got our constructor. And finally, our methods. Okay. Great. And now we're going to make another method which is going to be a private also, void, and then we will say set hit coordinates. Here we're going to switch because we're going to check the alignment. And then we're going to say case horizontal. Okay. And do hit coordinates. I'm going to clear them before we set anything. And then we're going to make a loop. And we're going to loop. We're going to loop as long as x is smaller than the x position plus the width. What is width? Width is, yeah. because we're okay. And I think we already said that we don't have to set height. Height is definitely just a read-only value, so we can just say public height. There's a double. Okay, double, and we're just gonna return the single square size. So now we'll say x plus equal single square size. And then hit coordinates, we will add a new coordinate with x and y position. Yeah, the y position doesn't change if we have our ship horizontally aligned. Okay, let's copy this right here. And then we just have to do the vertical one. So vertical. And now we'll say y, 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 y. We still use the width. Y, no. Here we use the x position. And the y. Okay, so now we got the coordinates. So now when we're done with the ship setup, we can say set hit coordinates. And now every time we rotate, we definitely have to reset the hit coordinates. And okay, that looks good. That's fine, that's fine. Constructor. Now what are we gonna do now? Okay, so we got the hit coordinates, got our ship grid. Now we need to instead of passing a bool value, we are gonna bind this to a command, and we will call it check if overlapping command, drag over element, make this an I command, private I command, check or if overlapping command. And here we will check if overlapping command. We will set it with the e dot new value after cost to an I command. Great, got that. And then when we set everything, we're going to call check overlapping command dot execute, and we're gonna pass in a test ship, new ship view model, test ship. Okay, so now we just have to create a method, create it's gonna be ship type, ship dot ship type. What else we need? We need the X position, ship dot X position. Oh, come on, IntelliSense, that'd be great. Yep, here we go. And then we call ship setup. We're gonna just leave that out. We don't. No, 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 no. No, why is it doing that? Okay, so ship type. Yeah, we need to set the alignment. So alignment, ship dot alignment. What else we need? Do we need the angle? Yes. We also need the angle. Or no, actually we don't. Actually we do. Ship dot angle. What else we need? We need the we need the size. So ship. Oh no, it's private. Oh, that's interesting. It's private. Why? Why am I allowed to call this? Okay. Size. Where does this ever get set? Ah, okay. So no, I don't have to set the size. That's bullshit. But why? This should not be allowed right here. Okay, that's weird. Okay, ship type, right. Okay. That looks good. Let's then the test ship dot x position will be x snap, and the y position will be y snap. And there we go. Now we will check. Now we just have to make this ship grid view model. Yeah, we gotta make this command method. We're just gonna be a public void check if overlapping. It's gonna get passed in a ship view model. So this is gonna be the test ship. Let's also make this a relay command. Okay. And alright, so here we will get our ship, our test ship passed in. And then we will check. Well, actually, let's make a method. So we'll make it is overlapping, and then we'll pass in this test ship. So if it's not overlapping, alright, let's make this method right below it. Okay, so we'll call it set ship, and then ships dot first our default. Ooh, but what are we gonna look for? We have the test ship, but how are we gonna find it? We're gonna find it by the type. By the type of ship, yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah, because we have the ship type, yeah, so that'll be fine. Alright, so we will look for the item dot ship type, since we have only one ship type of each word. Yeah, we're gonna find it. So if the ship type equals test ship type, and then we got our ship to set, and then we'll say x position is equal to the test ship dot x position, and also the y position. Alright. Oh, I feel like we're flying through this today. Okay. Oh, and also, yeah. Alright, let's do this overlapping method. Is overlapping, so return true. Let's just get that arrow out. Alright, so we're gonna loop through all of these ships. Var ship in ships. So if the ship type, yeah, actually let's make this right here false. Alright, so if the ship type. No, 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 no. Yeah, so no, we're not looking for the same ship. We're looking for every ship except for the ship. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick, so oh god. All right, I gotta drink some water real quick. All right, so we're not looking for the same ship type. Everyone else. All right, and then we have to cycle through the. That's why we just created the hit coordinates. So yeah, make coordinates and hit coordinates. So no ship hit coordinates, and then again we have to cycle through all of the coordinates of our test ship. All right. So test coordinates in test dot hit coordinates. Alright, and then if now we can call a compare method, and then test coordinates, if they are equal, then yes, we are gonna return true. And then we can stop comparing. If we just hit one x and y position that are the same, that means that the ships are overlapping, and we can stop the check. Wow, this is wow. Those are some nested for loops. Hmm. But I guess that's how we're gonna do it. Okay. Exposition. All right. Let's just check one more time before we. But I just noticed here that we are setting. We are resetting the exposition, so we have to actually recalculate or reset the hit coordinates because we're changing the position here. So test ship. Oh, we have to set. Oh no, that's a private method. Alright, so we have to make that public. Okay, where is that at? I have to make this public. Alright, so public. Ooh, let's take it out of. Yeah, let's make one which is called region. So public methods. So let's cut that out. Let's throw that in here. That's good. Alright, so set coordinates. Okay, are we forgetting something? But I think this looks pretty good, so. Okay, so now I think this should stop us from dragging. At least dragging. We should have that issue fixed. We can't drag on top of each other anymore. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. So we can still drag normally. Oh, oh no. Okay, so that's a fail. Alright, that's great. Okay, why can't I drag it into here? That's stupid. Ugh. Okay, I can't drag it onto my... That's dumb. Why can't I do that? Okay, but at least I can drop, so that's working. That part is working again. Alright, so where did I fuck up? Alright. Um, oh, okay. Was it running the whole time? Let's restart it. Oh, okay. Maybe. No, it still doesn't work. Ah, that's fucking annoying. Alright, so why are we here? Okay, so, okay. So it's a battleship and carrier. They're not equal. What is going on? Alright, so the coordinates must be just horrible right now because I don't know what is this? The ship is a carrier. Okay. Our test ship is the battleship. Okay, what are the coordinates of the carrier? Oh, oh, oh. Next position. Okay, so okay, okay. So it looks like the battleship. No, 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 no. What is this? The carrier still has the original position. So what about this guy? Oh, no. What are these positions? 120. Okay, that seems fine. Okay, these positions actually seem legit. Okay, so these positions. I don't really care right now. Oh no. Okay, these positions. Oh, they're fine. Okay. Alright, I'm not seeing where the arrow is right now. Oof. What about this guy? And this guy can drag. Ah. Okay, I guess everybody can drag anywhere except for this first position. Okay, that's weird. Alright. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I had to pause the video because this was a little bit confusing and I just kind of figured out because you can't drag back here and it seems like there's a carrier definitely sitting here and I mean yeah, so this position is used up by all the ships and I think it's because of this right here. So I'm creating the ship with a ship type and then I make the ship setup and then I set the hit coordinates, but this X and Y position, they're still zero. They are zero. So every ship is created initially at the 0, 0 X and Y position. And all the hit points are created there. That's why they are all laying on top of each other. That's why those spaces are being used. But visually, we see them at the right position because I'm creating the ship and then afterwards I'm setting the X and Y position. So just in short, I'm just gonna create, or I'm gonna change the constructor. Just, yeah, I'm just gonna add the parameter, and I'm gonna call it. So let's go into here. Y position. Y position. Come on, IntelliSense, that would have been great if you would have helped me out there. Okay, so Y. No, it's not an int, it's a double. Whatever. Y position. So this is definitely going to solve one part of the problem. So 80, 120, nope, 120, and 160. Alright, everything should stay the same. And I don't know, I think this might actually solve the issue here. So dun 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 dun. Alright, so yeah, Okay, so I can drag it into here. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay, at least I can't, I can't drag over them, but this space is still being used. Well, why? Why is it doing that? Can I drag? No. Oh. Oh. Maybe. Yeah, I should set ship. I should set the hit coordinates also, for sure. Or I can calculate them again, but I already have them, so... this... Okay. Alright, so I can drag it in here. Oh, please, come on. Ah, here we go. Yeah. So, yes. Alright. That looks good. And we should make this bigger. Okay, so I can drag. I can't drop them anymore. Can't drag outside anymore. I can. This is looking good. Okay, now the last issue, rotating into each other. Alright. Okay, okay, this is looking good. There's no way I can drag them on top of each other. Alright. Yeah, we got. This only took 42 minutes. Alright. Okay, okay, okay. Let's finish it up with the rotating outside and not being allowed to rotate into a ship. I don't want this to happen, and I don't want that to happen. So we already have most of our uh, tools written for this. So gas region methods. Alright. This is good, this is good. Okay. Rotation. So the problem is right now we have the rotation method is bound to our ship view model. But this ship view model doesn't know anything about the other ships, so it can't check, inside of this class about the other ships. So we would actually have to bind, or we would have to make a rotate command in the ship grid view model, which knows about all the ships, and we would pass also the ship that's calling this rotate command, and then just like here, check if overlap. We would just basically check if it's overlapping again. So yeah, that's what we have to do now. So um, let's do that. Let's do that. So what do we need? We need to somehow bind this command so to our ship grid view model, and by doing that we have to do a binding to our relative source, and we are gonna bind to our relative source, and then it's gonna be an ancestor type items control, because the parent of the ship control, or the ancestor, or whatever, the next to one above it, is going to be the items control. And there we're gonna we're not binding to that. We have to set the path. Yeah, what are we binding to? It's going to be the path. It's going to be the data context, and which is the view model. Data context is going to be the view model, and then we're going to say rotate command. So now I have to go to the ship grid view model. We have to create another command method, which is going to be the public void rotate. And here we're going to pass in the ship view model. Wow, I don't know if it's gonna work, but it's ship control. We have to give this a no. Command. Sorry guys, make this smaller. Command parameter, and I just say binding. Oh, let's hope this works. So let's just set a breakpoint here real quick. I'm not sure if this is correct. So if I double click the carrier, nothing happens. Great. Oh, unfortunately, yeah, of course, because we never gave it the attribute relay command. So probably gonna have to restart that. Yep. Oh man, okay. In the beginning, I thought we were flying through this, but yeah. First hiccup and okay. Rotate, perfect. Do we have the ship? Oh, nice. It's perfect. All right, is the carrier. Great. Okay. So now we are going to ship dot rotate and rotate, and here we're going to do two things. We have to first check if we're on top of other ships, or should we check? We should probably check first if we are inside. Actually, I think this method already does that, right? No, it doesn't. So yeah, this is probably a task for the ship itself. Alright, so we have to check if we are outside of these boundaries, so when we rotate. And so yeah, we're gonna do that here. We're gonna check when we rotate, we're gonna check if we are inside these boundaries. And we're gonna do that, yeah. So yeah, I keep switching between the if and switch cases. So I think mostly we've been using the switch, so let's keep doing that here. So switch alignment. So let's do that here. Switch case break. Throw that in there. Throw that in there. vertical. Okay. And now we are going to say if the x position plus our width is greater or equal to 400, then we're going to do the same thing that we did basically in the drag over element. So yeah, here. Then we're going to say x position is minus equals, and here we're going to say x position plus the height, and then we're going to subtract that by 400, and then we should have the rest. Just going to copy this. Let's just replace x with y, and then we have that. Oh, 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 oh. No, 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 no. X, come on. Y, Y, and Y. So let's check if that works. This, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I believe. So come on. Here we go. Alright, so we'll rotate. I got the breakpoint. So we can still rotate. No. Oh, okay. So rotating. No. Why is it doing that? Fuck. Set a breakpoint. Come on. What's going on? Now we're vertical. The angle is 90. X position is 200 plus the width. Oh, yeah, okay. Height. Wow, yeah. So, of course, there's a lot that was going wrong there. But now, that should be fixed. Come on. So yes, rotation is normal. If I drag, wow, it's really messing with me. Let's hit another breakpoint. So if we are vertical, we're going into horizontal. Angle is 0. Y position plus. Alright, we are equal to 400. So it's 200. don't see it. I don't see it. Shit. Attach, drag over. Come on, it should be the same as we've done here. Alright. So oh no, okay. No, we're going into the vertical. Oh no. Okay, so this should be Y. And not the height, it should be the width. Wow, okay, I messed this up bad. Alright, so no, this is Y. We are in the vertical position. Width. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Alright, width. Okay, so this is X. 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 Okay. Yes, alright. So here, and we rotate, and it moves back out. Alright, same as here. Great. Now, the final piece, the puzzle. If there is a ship, which is right here, and we rotate, this is not allowed to happen. Okay, last difficult part. Ship grid view model. Okay, so now we have to check if it's overlapping. Alright, so is overlapping ship, then we have to say ship dot reset. Let's say reset. Okay, reset. Let's create this method, generate method, and before we rotate, we have to save our hit coordinates. So private, let's make this a private. We don't have to make it an observable collection, we can just make it a list of coordinates. And then we'll call it reset coordinates. Make this a new list. Yeah, we don't have to make this a new. No. Non-generic cannot be used with what? Okay, what did I use before that? Alright, let's okay, so reset. Where's that rotate command? Alright, so reset coordinates. We are hit coordinates to list Alright, we'll set them right here. And when we reset, we go hit coordinates, be new, observable collection, reset coordinates. Okay, let's test that out. And yes, after this is done, hopefully, I think it's gonna work. So we can't drag on top of each other anymore. That's good. We can't drag in from the side, can't drag outside. We can rotate. Let's take a different ship here. Let's rotate it in, back out. Next time we're definitely gonna make this grid, this window bigger. Alright, we can't drag rotate outside of this grid anymore. This is working. Alright, so, and, so stupid. Are you kidding me? It is overlapping, and I'm saying reset. Ah, no, I don't actually have to. No, I don't have to reset the hit coordinates. That's dumb. No, 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 no. I have to save the coordinates. Why am I doing it with the X position? Alright, we should definitely change that. Uh, no, 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 no. So reset coordinate. Reset coordinate. So X position is gonna be Y position. Y position. And then I'm gonna call rotate. Let's see if that works. I have a feeling maybe I'm testing too much. I should maybe think a little bit more about it, but I'm kind of just right now into the Full testing mood. Alright. This should not overlap. Alright. Let's get rid of. Okay, so this is still working. Alright. Okay, I can't rotate into a ship, but let's see if I can do this. No, I can't. And that means I fixed the problem. Did I? Did I fix the problem? Hold on, let's try. Yep, I can't rotate. Great. Uh, that means I'm done. Got this part running, and I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Alright, so uh, next time, yeah, so next time we will finish this ship placement page, I think it is. We're gonna make a button right here, that's, you can say finished or ready, and then depending on the other player, if he's still or he or she is still setting their ships up, then we'll wait, and then we'll wait for a signal. When both players are ready, then we will switch to the actual battle page, and that's when we'll start playing the game. Um, yeah, so we're really progressing here. I mean, we're already, I think this is the 11th video in deep, but I see a finish line. I see it. We're close. Yeah, so thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please uh, subscribe, like the videos. Let me know if you like them. Maybe leave a comment or something. 'Cause so far, nobody's been leaving comments saying anything. Maybe give me some ideas for the next series that I'm about to start. I was thinking of maybe, I don't know. I got a couple bunch of ideas. So yeah, just let me know what's up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.